If you're looking to elevate your marketing videos with a tool that simplifies the entire editing process, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Descript for marketing videos in a quick guide that will save you time and boost the quality of your content. Stick around because I've got an exclusive bonus for you at the end, giving you access to a free trial. Descript is an all-in-one video and audio editing software that combines the power of transcription with an intuitive editing interface. So, whether you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner, Descript can streamline your workflow. It's perfect for those who need to create professional marketing videos without the hassle of complex editing tools. First off, let's dive into how to create your marketing video. You start by uploading your video or audio file directly into Descript. It automatically transcribes your content. Yes, transcribes. That's a game changer for marketers, as it allows you to directly edit the text as if you're editing a document. No more scrubbing through long video footage to find the perfect cut. Once your file is uploaded and transcribed, you'll notice the script of your video in the Descript interface. This is where the magic happens. You can delete words or sections directly from the text, and Descript will automatically remove those parts from your video. It's like magic. So instead of manually cutting clips in a traditional editor, you just delete the words you don't want, and Descript takes care of the rest. If you're worried about sound, Descript also offers a tool called Overdub, which lets you add new text-to-speech audio to your video. This can be incredibly useful for voiceovers, or if you need to fix a mistake without having to re-record an entire section. For marketers, this feature is crucial for quickly adapting your content, especially when you have tight deadlines. For marketing videos, one of the most important things is keeping the audience engaged, and Descript makes it easy to do just that. You can add captions automatically, which helps your video reach a broader audience, especially on social media. Most viewers watch videos with the sound off, and having captions means you're not losing out on engagement. Descript's AI-driven captioning tool works fast and accurately, saving you tons of time. When you're ready to export your video, Descript offers a range of options. Whether you need a quick MP4 file for social media or you want a polished video ready for YouTube, it's all possible with just a few clicks. You can even adjust your export settings to tailor the video for different platforms like Instagram or Facebook. But that's not all. Descript is also great for collaboration. You can share your project with your team and work together in real time. This makes it easier than ever for marketers to brainstorm, revise, and finalize videos without the back and forth that typically happens with traditional editing software. And here's the best part. I've arranged an exclusive offer for you. By clicking the first link in the description, you can access Descript with an extended free trial, giving you a chance to explore all the features without spending a penny. Whether you're just starting out with marketing videos or you're looking to streamline your editing process, this offer is perfect for you. Descript isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for creating marketing videos that captivate your audience. From automatic transcription and easy editing to AI-powered voiceovers and seamless collaboration, it's a must-have for anyone serious about digital marketing. Make sure to grab the exclusive free trial by using the link below and start creating your best marketing videos today.